Goodbye's the last time I will hold you near. Someday you'll say that word and I will cry. It will break my heart to hear you say goodbye.
Thank you, ah. Oo nga. Ngayon ko lang na-realize halaga ng family ko. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you,
Sobrang
din.
thank you.
Tara na.
Yung sapatos ko nga pa, ayusin ko pa. Sobrang ano, putol na yung takong.
Tara, kasi natin. Magdala pa na ako.
Uy, Chong, pasindi naman, ah.
Oh.
Tahimik mo. Nakakabingi.
Sinabi mo pa. Ang hirap palang mag-isa. Nanggaling pa kasi ako ng Cebu. Tapos napag-isipan ko na lumuwas dito sa Maynila. Hindi nga ako nagpaalam sa nanay ko eh.
Pareho lang pala tayo. Tumakas. Ako naman, umalis ako dahil sobrang gulo sa bahay. Parang gusto ko munang mag-isa para makapag-isip. Malapit ka rin siguro sa nanay mo, katulad ko.
Oo, pero konting mali ko lang, nagagalit na yun eh.
Ganun talaga mga nanay. She's a great little housewife, but sometimes she talks like a fool. Though she helps at the store in the holiday rush, she picks up the kids after school. And she puts down the phone when her husband comes home, and she changes from mother to wife till she feels her words hanging between them. Then she hangs by her words to her life. And she says, I swear I love my husband, I love my kids. You know I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. So many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing. That's how she knows that she missed. Kaya ikaw, bigyan mo ng pagpapahalaga yung pagmamahal ng nanay mo sa'yo kasi ang dami niyang sinasakripisyo dahil mahal na mahal na mahal ka niya. Kaya nga ako minsan naiinis ako kasi ang dami kong ginawang kasalanan sa nanay ko. Eh kasi naman rin siya, dada ng dada. Kaya minsan naiwan na lang akong mag-isa, so nalulungkot.
Pero alam mo, huwag kang mag-alala. Lalo na pag may problema ka, huwag kang mag-alala kasi lilipas din yan. Who am I? Let the Lord of all the earth would care to know my name, would care to feel my hurt. Who am I? Like a bright and morning star, would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart. Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow. A wave tossed in the ocean, vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling. And you told me who I am. I am yours.
Dami pala nating problemang magkakapareho, no?
O nga eh.
Miguel pala.
Van Pohas.
Hey, where are you guys? What time you guys wake me up? Alright. Alright, I can wait. Alright. See you guys later.
Arnie, tingnan mo. Yung lisero. Tingnan mo, yung lisero.
Oo nga, no? Mukhang mayaman. Kaso nga lang, parang mayabang eh.
Hindi, tingnan mo naman yung mukha. Mukha naman mabait. Oo. Diba?
Cute.
Pakikay ka pa. Ano? Sige. Sige na.
Anong gagawin ko?
Lapit, tanongin mo siya.
Ako?
Oo, ano? Cute naman. Sige na. Okay lang yan.
Hi. Hi.
Hey,
What's your name?
I'm Hudson.
The Arnie.
How are you guys doing? It's a bit late,
Daw.
isn't it?
Ano daw?
Oh, what's your name?
Ay, bugoy pala.
My friend. Bugoy. Bugoy.
Miss.
So, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Fine! We're fine. Okay tayo.
That's good.
We're fine.
Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from?
Oh, okay. I'm from Sultan Kudarat. And you?
Oh, I'm from San Francisco.
Wow.
Eh, malapit lang yan. Dun sa, yung may tiyahin ako dun sa Banawe.
Diba? Ano ka ba?
Diba?
Okay, so you're from States.
Yeah. Actually, I'm here to pursue my dreams because, I actually battled cancer.
Yeah?
So, may buhay ko, I have a life in the States, but I want something new. I want to be something different. So, it's like my second lease on life. I want to do something new with my life.
May cancer daw siya. Ayun. Okay, so, me, I'm here because, I left my home because I couldn't take it anymore. Medyo magiro sa amin, kaya, manong muna, nag-isip-isip, gusto kong mapag-isa, kaya ako nandito ngayon sa Manila.
English ka, baka hindi ka maintindihan. English ka.
Intindi ko you.
English ka, visit na to. Marunong mo pala.
Talaga?
Actually, don't worry. Alam mo, lahat ng mga problema mo, those are just trials right now. Para katulad sa cancer ko, hindi namin papabayaan. Di ba? Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home? When Jesus is my portion, a constant friend is He. His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. I sing because I'm happy, and I sing because I'm free. His eyes on the sparrow, and I know He watches me.